This is going to be a test of my smoke detectors using incense, and here we go. There they go. That one's working. That one's working. These are really loud. That one's working. Working. They are 85 decibels at 10 feet. And, well, okay, let me show you how to hush them also. So you had to hush them. Set them off again. They'll go off when they stop detecting smoke. Here goes. No, maybe not. When they go off, you just press this button to hush them. And it is now hushed. I don't know if that'll go back off, but yeah, that's about it. Anyway, thanks for paying attention. I guess they are going back off. See you later, bye.